Welcome to WinAirvideo. Driving around the Gordie Howe International Bridge in 2025 is a real eye-opener. Seeing it in person makes you realize just how massive this project truly is. Our journey starts here at Gate 1 on Prospect Road, right across from the Windsor salt mine. This is where you'll find Bridging North America's offices, and honestly, this spot gives us one of the best ground level views of the entire bridge. From here, the twin towers rise above the skyline, anchored by hundreds of stay cables connecting Canada and the United States in one breathtaking structure. If you ever want to meet with bridge officials or have questions about the site, this is your gate. From here, we swing around to Sandwich Street near Ojibway Parkway. Sandwich is one of the oldest streets in Windsor, but this new extension runs along the border of the International Crossing and gives a fantastic look at the bridge's footprint. Our first stop is a block section of Broadway Avenue. The road that once opened will allow people to drive or cycle around the Canadian Plaza 360 degrees. We'll circle back to that soon. Staying on Sandwich, we get a clear look at the massive road deck soaring above, the same one we watched go up piece by piece in earlier construction videos. Next up is the entrance to the pedestrian and cycling path. Once open, this path will allow walkers and cyclists to cross the bridge, clear through U.S. Customs, and return to this exact spot to re-enter Canada. It will be interesting to see how much this feature of the bridge will be used once open, considering it's free. Further down the road, we pass the maintenance building gate. And from here we can see the Canadian Plaza, complete with custom booths for passenger vehicles and shoppers heading into or returning from the United States. The elevated ramp visible from here connects to the U.S. return road, the loop used if a traveler needs to return back before entering Canada. Rounding the corner, the toll booths and operator building come into view. Notice the parking area and the neatly paved service trail running alongside the bridge's property. This trail connects to international trails on the Canadian side of the border. Under the 401 overpass, the main artery feeding into the bridge entrance, we approach the corner of Sandwich and Broadway. Turning on to Broadway Avenue, we pass landmarks like Dainty Foods and the Black Oak Heritage Park. From this side, we can get an even better look at the toll canopy structures, shaped like sleek propellers, marking both incoming and outgoing toll system. Just ahead sits visitor parking and the main plaza entry. I believe employees will use this parking lot and causeway coming and going from work. Around the next bend, we spot the hazardous materials inspection station, set apart from the main plaza buildings for safety reasons. Across the way, the Brighton Beach Power Station and Kenneth Power transmission lines remind us how much of Windsor's industrial landscape borders this historic crossing. Finally, we arrive at the main construction gate at Broadway and Broadway, the heart of commercial traffic operations. Our drive comes to a stop sign that blocks Broadway from meeting the intersection of Sandwich Street, and we have to turn around. Once Broadway fully opens beneath the road deck, it will connect cleanly back to Sandwich Street, completing the loop. That wraps up our full drive around the Gordie Howe International Bridge site. Watching this project evolve has been incredible, from groundworks to towers, from renderings to reality. Even though the bridge looks nearly finished, it hasn't opened yet, and no one can say exactly when that ribbon cutting will happen. But rest assured, WinAirvideo will be here to cover every milestone, from final testing to grand opening, and beyond, documenting how this state-of-the-art crossing reshapes trade and travel between Canada and the USA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help more people discover what's happening in Windsor's biggest infrastructure project ever. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.